Welcome to the episode 3 of our Blender course. In this episode, we will dive into navigation in 3D view. Navigation in 3D is a bit more complex than navigation in 2D, but a lot more exciting too. So, let's start by navigating using the first method, which involves using the gizmo at the top right corner of the 3D view. So let's start by zooming in another view by pressing and dragging this magnifying glass icon. You can press and drag the icon to smoothly zoom in another view. And the next one is panning the view. You can press it hand icons and drag around to pan the view around. And the next one is toggle camera view. By pressing the camera, as you can see from the camera view. And the next one is switching from perspective to orthographic view. By going to orthographic view, you can remove the perspective distortion. Now, let's rotate the view using the gizmo. You can click and drag a gizmo around to rotate the view, or you can go to the surface view by pressing the XYZ icon. Using the gizmos and the icon for navigation could be work, but there is a more efficient way for navigation, and I will show you that now. So the more efficient way to navigate in Blender is by using shortcut. You can see the shortcut I'm pressing by looking at the top left corner of the preview. So the first one is rotating the view by using a shortcut. Shortcut for rotating the view is by pressing mouse middle button. By pressing mouse middle button and dragging around, as you can see, you can rotate the view without going to the gizmo here. And the next one is shifting the view, and also panning the view by pressing shift and mouse middle button to pan the view. And the next one is zooming in and out of the view by pressing Ctrl and mouse middle button to smoothly zoom in and out of the view. You can also scroll the mouse middle button to zoom in and out of the view. Okay, I will show you that again right now. To rotate, you can press mouse middle button. To pan the view, you can press Shift and mouse middle button. To zoom in and out of the view by pressing Ctrl and mouse middle button, or just scrolling the mouse wheel. So now let's use the Quick View selection tool by using your numpad on your keyboard. Instead of going to the gizmos and choosing XYZ view here, you can just press 1 on your numpad, 4 front view, and 3 for right view, and 7 for top view. You can also press Ctrl and 1 to back view, and Ctrl and 3 to left view, Ctrl and 7 to bottom of the view. You can also press 0 to go to the camera view. You can still use the rest of the key like 2, 4, 6, 8 for rotating the view. So this is how you can use the numpad for navigation in 3D. So if you don't have a numpad on your keyboard, don't worry, there is even a better way for navigation in view. You can use the delta key on your keyboard and select the view you want to go. Press delta and then view you want to go. So this is a very convenient and effective way for navigation in 3D. Before we move on to the next episode, I strongly recommend you to try out the navigation method and get comfortable with navigation in Blender. It will make your 3D journey much smoother. So I will see you in the next episode.